Hey, hi, hello, what is up, everybody? It's not syncing, is it? No, it's not. I don't think. The tripod likes, it likes to sync. So if it starts syncing, then I'll just sync with it because I don't really feel like fixing it. Anyways, hello. If you're new here, hi, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we can, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes, all while living in the suburbs. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, well, thanks for being here. And if you're not new here, welcome back, missed you. We did a fun recipe. It's getting towards fall, you know, actually right now outside, I think it's like 70 degrees. I have a sweater on, it's 70 degrees. I have the windows open. And I had a craving for rice pudding, but not just any rice pudding, pumpkin rice pudding. And let me tell you, I did make it. I'm filming this after I made it. It is fantastic. 10 out of 10. Reminds me of fall. It's delicious. You can eat it hot. You can eat it cold. It's delicious. So, if it sounds good to you, then just keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Okay? All right. Well, yeah, let's go back in time and you all can watch me make it. Okay, bye. All right, I'm gonna do 3/4 cup of basmati rice. And 1.5 cups of cold water. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, now I'm gonna stir it, and then I'm gonna bring it to a boil, and then once it boils, I'll turn it to simmer and cover it for 8 minutes. I'm gonna record. Oh my god! Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna do 4 cups of 1/2 and 1/2. 4 cups. John, you're making noises. Two. 3. My god, this is so much 1/2 and 1/2. 4. And then we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of sugar. Give it a stir. And now we are going to simmer this uncovered, stirring often, for 20 to 25 minutes. So, good news is the rice didn't stick to the bottom. That's the good news. So I've got my heat on like medium high. I'll at least let it come to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer. But I'll be back in like 20-25 minutes. Wow. The lighting is terrible because the sun angle changed. Anyway, I have this still on the heat. It's on low. I'm going to add an egg, beaten. 1 single egg, beaten. I'm going to add, it says about 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree. This is maybe a little over a 1/2 cup. I'm not in the mood for it to be super pumpkin-y. So we're going to add that. And I'm going to stir all this in. And then we're going to add either 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, which is what I'm going to do, or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I've got brown sugar, so that's what I'm going to use. I will also admit, this took longer than 25 minutes to get to this point. It probably took 35 minutes, but I mean, I could have cooked it differently. I don't know. Also, I'm gonna add pie spice. I'm just gonna add till I feel is good. Probably there. And instead of actually measuring the brown sugar, I'm gonna just kind of probably good. All right, now I'm gonna mix this up and let it stay on the heat for 1 minute. All right, it doesn't really look super appetizing, but I mean, it smells really good. So now I'm gonna add the final cup of half and half. So that brings a total of 5 cups of half and half to this. So the last cup of half and half. The recipe assures me that this is gonna thicken in the fridge. And then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm gonna transfer this to a glass bowl and put it in the fridge. We tried this last night. Oh, is this zoomed in a little bit? You tried it last night. You had a little taste.
A little taste.
It's really good. I think it's like really, really good. I didn't put as much pumpkin in it as it said to, because I didn't want it like super pumpkin-y, but it's really good.
That's a massive thing. I know.
It is definitely. You guys want to see our massive thing that it made? It said to cover it with plastic wrap, and I don't keep plastic wrap in this house, so we use parchment paper. But like, it's a massive bowl of rice pudding. It should be good though, because it's made with half and half and not just regular milk. I think it would be sufficient with regular milk, like whole milk. But do you have anything to say about it?
It's really good.
It tastes like.
I'm like really full, so it's like.
He did just eat a pretty big sandwich for lunch, but I think it's really good. It's very fall-y. I would try to make the same recipe with no pumpkin, like after.
I think it also warmed up.
Yeah, last night it was a little bit warm and it was good. You could serve it hot or cold. That's what it said. That's why I asked you before if you wanted
I think
it
it'd be better hot.
Really? The ones in the cup that you like are always cold. You know, like the little cups that you eat. Those are cold.
But I don't know, for this particular one,
you like it warm. It reminds me a bit of that Swedish thing that you know what I'm talking about. I forget the name of it, but that my dad likes. You're pretty much zoned out.
I feel tired.
Yeah. Long weekend. Anyway, do you have anything to say about it? Other than it's good?
There you go. Good dessert.
Is it a good dessert? Alright. Jonathan's very enthusiastic this morning.
So it's okay. I'm just tired.
I know. Anyway, I don't know the next video. I say that all the time, but I really don't know the next video. So, Jonathan will probably see you in the next video unless I'm doing something nasty that he doesn't like.
I would just say it's something I just don't like.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, I wouldn't say that I make nasty food. It's just stuff that you don't like. But anyway, I mean, there has been occasional recipes like that have been nasty.
Like 2 things out of like 5 years.
I just the only think of the pork chops that I burnt.
That chicken. That horrible chicken.
Oh, the beer can chicken. That wasn't my fault though.
No.
That chicken was nasty.
Yeah.
The pork chops, those were my fault. Those turned black.
And then there was like some other meal that we both agreed wasn't good.
Yeah.
Something like your friend gave you and we tried it and we threw it away.
Yeah. It's pretty rare in this house that we make like nasty food.
Yeah.
But anyways, Jonathan will see you in the next video probably, unless he's asleep.
Calvin's over there broken.
Yeah, Calvin's just staring at the move your elbow. He's just standing on the floor. Calvin.
You said go try it one more time.
Everyone had a long weekend. Anyway, okay.
Let's try the floor.
Yeah. We'll see you in the next video. Okay.